Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Srikanth and welcome to SCCM to Intune migration series. In previous video, we completely installed SCCM primary side and we opened SCCM console first time. Okay, in this video, we'll start with that, like how many components are installed, whether all components are working fine or not. We'll go with the first health check and later we'll go one by one each step. Okay, first we'll go to create the boundary groups and discovery methods, like why we need the discovery methods. Okay, and we'll initiate the discovery method. Okay, and also once the device get discovered to SCM, like we'll verify that as well, and we'll create the device based collections and user based collections. And also like we'll verify that system management container, the site codes are published successfully or not. We'll verify the logs and we'll verify, okay, physically by navigating to the system, okay, management. Okay, and also like in each section I will show you the logs, like if any facing any issue during, okay, you can able to troubleshoot the logs as well. Okay, now let's go to the console and we'll verify the initial health checks. Okay, I already started the both virtual machines, DC domain controller and the primary side. Okay, now I already opened the console as well. Now we need to go to the monitoring and go to system status. Okay, and component status. Okay, here we need to verify that all everything is green or not. Okay, everything is showing a status as a okay or not. Okay, everything we need to verify that. Okay, if anything showing as critical or wrong, like just you need to verify that why it is showing wrong. Okay, for example, if you scroll down, you can here you can able to see that some warnings are there, like why it is warning. Like let just right click on it, show messages, show all. Okay, then you can skip this one. It will automatically see that, like why it is getting, like because just now we turn on the virtual machine, right? That is the reason we are receiving the errors. Okay, in production, yeah, this is the way, like we need to check each and every components, like if anything critical or wrong. Okay, warning, just you need to go to the each status messages, you can able to verify that. And also you can go to the site status as well. All site status, everything is working fine, like whatever the roles we installed on the in the primary site, like these are the roles we installed. Okay, in the production you have multiple site system roles installed. Okay, each and every site system role you need to verify the health check as well. Everything you can able to see here. If anything wrong, like you can able to see that critical or okay, not okay. Okay, now next step is like we'll create the boundaries and like we'll understand the why boundary is needed. Okay, boundary is nothing but just like a network location. Okay, just we are adding boundaries like IP ranges into SCM, so that SCM clients will determine like which site they belongs to and where they can get the content. Okay, based on that, devices will get content from the respective location device, like boundaries, like management point and distribution points. Okay, they can able to get the content. If you create the boundaries wrongly, like in the maybe device will go to the different distribution point and different management point. Maybe that will cause the network utilization or slow downloading issues. Okay, once we created the boundaries, like we need to add them into the boundary groups. Okay, boundary groups are responsible for the site assignment and the content location. Okay, just you can think boundary group as a container, okay, that links to client to management points and distribution points. Okay, once we created the boundaries and we added the boundaries to the boundary groups, this will allows the SCM clients to receive the policies and the downloading the content from the respective sites, respective distribution point and respective uh, management points. Okay, like there are different types of the boundaries we can able to create that. Okay, let me go to the console. I will show you that there are different ways to create the boundaries. Now you need to go to the administration. Under hierarchy, there are boundaries. Okay, just click on the create boundary. Okay, there are different types of the boundaries are there. Okay, first one is the subnet. Here we need to provide the starting IP and subnet mask, because during the troubleshooting, like it is very difficult to troubleshoot, like which is the starting IP and ending IP if you create the IP subnet range. Okay, ending to use IP address range. Okay, by like creating the IP address range, like during the troubleshooting or during you can able to identify that starting and ending IP very easily if you create the IP address range. Okay, I will show you the what is the difference during the while creating the boundary. And next, this one is active directory site. Okay, if you have domain controller, like if you have any different domain controller site, we can able to create that based on the domain controller. Okay, active directory site. Okay, then IPv6 also we can able to create the with help of the IPv6, and okay, VPN ranges also we can able to create that. In most organizations they're preferring like IP address range. Okay, and also recommending to use the same, because this is easy for during the troubleshooting as well, like how many boundaries are there, how many are missing, we can able to easily identify that. We can, if anything missing, we can able to easily add it. Okay, lab we have IP address is 10.10.10.1. Okay, that is the we provided for the DC, and 10.10.10.2 we provided for the primary site. Okay, then let's consider our subnet is 10.10.10. Okay, 0./24. Let's consider this is the our IP range. We need to create the boundaries with this range. Like before creating the boundaries, like we need to calculate the what is the starting IP and ending IP. uh, okay, and what is the subnet mask. Okay, like okay, for that let's open browser. Okay, just open IP calculator. Open okay this link. Here we need to provide the IP address. What is the IP address they provided? 10.10.10.0. Okay, and also they provided /24, right? Here the /24. Then just click on the calculate. It will automatically calculate and it will provide the what is the starting IP and ending IP. This is the network address, and also this is the broadcast address. Like we're not using these two 0 and 255. Like this is the range we are using. Okay, same way you can, if they provided any different subnet mask, just change the subnet mask like /23. Like in this /24 you can see the total number of hosts 254 are there. Okay, for example, if they provided any different subnet mask /23, just put that and click on calculate. You can see that this is the double range. You can see that you can use for the 510. Here the starting IP is this 10.10.1 to 10.10.11 to 254. Okay, this is the way you can able to calculate that. Okay, subnets. If some requesters, if they are not provided the subnet mask, okay, like you can able to verify that in the active directory as well. Like I will show you that where in production where you can able to identify that this subnet mask. Just for that you need to go to the domain controller. Okay, once that is open, you need to go to the Windows administrative tools. Then after that navigate to the active directory sites and services. In production you can able to see that what is the subnet mask here. Okay. Under the subnets, okay, here we can able to see that subnet and location based on the type we can able to identify, and you can able to create that. Now let's go to console and we'll create the first boundary. Okay, this is the subnet range. We need to provide the network 10.10.10.10.1. Okay, and also subnet mask. What is the subnet mask for the /24? Okay, we have, let me change to /24, calculate. Okay, this is the subnet mask 255.255.255. We need to provide the same 255.255.255.0. Okay, just click on apply. Okay, if you have boundary groups already, then you can able to add the boundary groups as well. As of now, we are not created any boundary group. Okay, we'll add it later. Just click on apply, click OK. Now, okay, now while creating, we provided the subnet mask so that like we are aware of that what is the subnet range. During the troubleshooting, like now you created or okay, now we need to know about that what is the subnet range here. Like for example, if you go to the properties, okay, you cannot able to see that what is the subnet mask we provided earlier. That's why like during the troubleshooting, like we are not able to identify the subnet mask. Okay, then we are not able to identify that what is the starting IP and ending IP. Because of that, it is difficult to identify that okay, is it the boundaries exist, like what is the range and all. Okay, let me create the different boundary IP range as well. There it will be easy to identify that. Okay, let me go to this one as well. IP range. Here we are using the IP range. Here clearly we can provide the starting and ending IP. Okay, what is the starting IP? We calculated. Okay, this is the starting IP. Let's provide the starting IP here 10.10.10.1. Now ending IP is 10.10.10.254. Okay. Boundary groups will add it later. Just click on apply. See here clearly. Here we can able to see the starting and ending IP what we added. Okay, but here in the IP subnet type boundary, like we cannot able to see that what is the starting and like what is the ending IP. We cannot able to see that. This is the why like it is difficult to calculate that. If you create the IP address range, this will be easy. Like in the future also, we can able to revisit and we can able to verify that what are the boundaries we added, what are the boundaries we are missing. We can able to calculate easily and we can able to add it. Okay, now we created the boundaries. Now let's create the boundary groups. Okay, by default, this will be there like default site boundary group. Okay, now let's create the boundary group. Okay, now here we need to add the boundaries. Okay, click on add. We have only okay, we can add any boundaries like we have one boundary. Let's create one. Now here in the references, here we need to okay assign the site code, and also under here like we need to provide the whatever the boundaries ranges, like these boundaries should go to the which management point and which distribution points that we need to configure here. Okay, here you need to specify the management point and distribution point and site migration point and software updation point. Okay, whatever the boundaries, okay, device belongs to these boundaries IP ranges, those will like go to the respective distribution point and management points, whatever the okay site system roles we configured here. Okay, site systems we configure here. Let's click on add. We have only one, right? MP and DP. Okay, that's why it is showing as a one. Here we need to specify the specific site systems. Okay, just click on apply. Click on apply. That's it. Like now we created the boundaries and boundary groups. If you have any questions, please put them in comments. I will respond as soon as possible. Now we need to get the device, like we need to get the device to how we can be able to manage the device with the help of the SCM. Okay. Okay. Now discovery methods, like we need to like discover the device and users, okay, from the active directory. Without discovery, SCM will not aware of that in organization, how many devices are there, how many users are there. Okay, like this SCM will get the data from the active directory. Okay, how many users are there, how many groups are there. Okay, we can SCM will aware of that, and from that we can able to manage with the help of the SCM. Okay, now there are different ways to discover, like there are different types of the discovery methods. Okay, in SCM I will tell you, like go to administration and discovery methods. Okay, by default heartbeat discovery will be enabled. Okay, there are different type of the discovery methods. Okay, forest discovery and group discovery, system discovery and user discovery and network discovery. Okay, first let's go to the forest discovery. Okay, by default it is disabled. Okay. Okay, if you see that, okay, here clearly they mention, okay, what forest discovery will do. Okay, when you configure this forest discovery, it will discover the active directories, sites and subnets. Okay, where these active directory sites and subnets, okay, we can able to identify that. Okay, I told you, like during that, like during creation of the boundaries, I told you like how we can able to verify the subnets and boundaries, right? Subnets, right? There, let me open the DC. Same, we need to open the administrative tools and sites and services. Okay, whatever the subnets are there, if you enable the forest discovery, okay, it will discover the whatever the subnets and active directory, like site codes. Like for example, here we have the single site code, active directory site code is there. Okay, first item. Like in production, we might have like different site codes as well. Okay, whatever the site codes and subnets, it will discover to SCM. Okay, so that we don't like see here, configuration manager can automatically create the boundaries from this information. Like whatever the we are discovering active directory sites and subnets from the active directory, system will automatically create the okay boundaries and okay from that information. Like we no need to create manually, like if any like new subnets came, new offices open. Okay, then you those type of subnets we no need to create automatically. Okay, it will automatically create. Okay, once if you enable the forest discovery, okay, it will automatically detect and it will automatically create the boundaries as well. Okay, like you can able to schedule that how many days, like every week or every day, you can able to schedule this as well. Okay, once if you enable, then if you select this option, okay, it will automatically create the boundaries. And okay, if you want to create that IP boundaries, IP like IP range related subnet as well, you can able to create a checkbox here. Click on this, it will automatically create the boundaries. Okay, if you don't want to create automatically, like no need to select, just click on apply, just it will only discover that. Okay, you can schedule the discovery like when it should run. Okay. Okay, let's enable. Okay, before that, for each and every discovery, like there will be one log. Okay, like where to check, go to installation directory, like where you install the SCM, go to program files, configuration manager and logs. Okay, here as of now still it is not created the log because the future still it is we are not enabled it, right? Like let me enable the log like discovery. Once it is enabled, we can able to see that AD forest discovery. Okay, AD forest. Let me. I think still it is. Let's wait. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll verify the other discovery as well. Okay. This is the group discovery. Same way, whatever the groups okay present in the Active Directory, it will automatically discover. Like if you create this one, okay, want to discover like what are the here we need to provide the OU location. Okay, Active Directory OU location. Based on that, whatever the groups are present in the respective OU, it will automatically discover. Okay, this is the schedule. Like if you want to like every day or based on that, you can able to schedule that as well. Okay, I'm just clicking on apply with the default settings, and same way you can able to discover the systems as well, like computers, like okay, physical device or virtual device, like whatever the device are present in the Active Directory, it will automatically discover. Same way you can able to schedule that as well. Okay, and also main thing here in the system discovery, like we can able to discover the different types of the attributes. For by default it will from the Active Directory we can able to get these details. Okay, for example, if we go to the okay, I will show you. Go to administrative tools in the Active Directory and Active Directory users and computers. Okay, whatever the devices are coming under this view, like let's go to primary. Okay, this is the only one host name we have. Go to properties. Whatever the fields are present in these locations, like operating system, okay, service pack, member of, okay, these many details, like we can able to get it from the, like it will get discovered there. Okay, description, okay, any information it is there in the Active Directory, it will discovered it here. Okay, by default these are there. Like if you want to extra fields need to get it from the Active Directory, these are the fields you can able to add. Okay, you can able to get it from the Active Directory. Okay, make sure that you are adding the required amount of the fields. Okay, if you add the multiple fields, okay, it may take like or it will load on a primary site. Okay, while discovering. Okay, I'm going with the default setting. Just click on apply, and also you can able to see that only discover the computers. Okay, logged on. You can able to restrict the device if it device, for example, if any old device, okay, can able to restrict them only within that 90 days device should discover. If it is more than 90 days, it can those device will not discover it. Okay, that is also you can able to restrict here. Click on apply. Also you can able to see that account password, even like if they are not updated the password within the 90 days, those also we cannot able, okay, we can restrict them. I'm clicking on apply default settings. Okay, each and every discovery there will be one log. Okay, I will show you. This is the user discovery. Okay, same way, like you can able to discover the users as well. Here also we need to provide the OU name. Okay, and you need to, you can select the schedule as well. And also same way, like you can able to get that any information, like when the password is changed, when the, like you can able to get everything. Okay, employee ID number. Okay, home address. Okay, for example, if any we have the users, right, whatever the device, like users will be there, you can able to see here. Okay, for example, we have few users. Okay, let me verify this administrative users. Okay, these are the fields, like for example, here you can able to see that username, and you can full name details. Okay, everything we can able to see here, mobile name. Okay, address, whatever the fields are present in the Active Directory, these fields we can able to get to, like we can able to discover it. Okay, by default these are the fields will be there. If you want extra fields, you can able to add it, and just click on select this one, add, click apply. Okay, it will automatically, okay, pop up here. That's it. Okay, and network discovery, like most organizations they are not using this network discovery, but this is the very powerful. Okay, uh, by enabling this we can able to like find the active device on your network infrastructure, like routers, switches and printers, okay, and non-domain machines. Like we can able to get it discovered by enabling the network discovery as well. Okay, let me enable this user discovery as well. Okay. Now we'll verify that each and every discovery, each log will be there. Let me refresh. Okay, first one for active directory forest discovery. Okay, this is the log. If any while discovering, like if you observe any device are not discovered properly, okay, then we can able to see the logs. Okay, this is the log for the AD forest disk. Okay, just to open that we can able to see that any errors are there, we can able to verify that. Okay, for the active directory forest discovery. Let me refresh. Next log will be AD group discovery. Okay, where is the log? Active directory group discovery. Okay, this is the log. ADSGDIS. Okay, this is the log for the group discovery. If any group discovery issues are there, we can able to verify it here. Okay, see that active directory security group. Okay, this is the group discovery log. I can able to verify that. Next one is this one, ADSYS dis. Okay, this log is for the used for the system discovery. Okay, if any discovery errors are there, like, okay, you can able to verify that here. Okay, and also this is used for the user discovery. If any user discovery failure or anything issues are there, you can able to verify that in this log. Okay, these three logs and this log. Okay, these are the used for the discovery methods. Okay, now let me check how many users are there. See here, there is no any users right now. We'll try to run the discovery, okay, forcefully, so that we can able to get that users and groups from there. Okay, right click, run full discovery. I'm executing the user discovery. Let's go to the log. This is the log. It will take some time to initiate. Okay, even though we initiated it, but it is not discovery is not started. Why? Because here we are not added the OU. Okay, you need to make sure the add OU as well. Here, go to here, go to users. Okay, this is the OU. Okay, if you have like any sub OUs also, you can able to add them as well. Just click on OK, apply, click OK. Let me run it now again. Run full discovery. Let's see now. Okay, you can see that few things are discovered. Okay, let's go to the administration. Okay, now verify that how many are discovered. Okay, under the users. Okay, still it is loading. We can see that only one user is discovered. In Active Directory, we have only one user. Okay, that's why we got the only one user got discovered. Now same way we'll try to run group discovery as well, so that we can able to get that all groups as well. Before that, same we need to add the OU. Here we are not added the OU. Let's add the OU. Okay, the groups also under the users. I'm providing the same. We click up. Okay, apply. Okay, let's run the group discovery as well. For the group discovery, let me close this log. For the user discovery, the group discovery is this one, ADSI. Okay, it is started. Now it is started discovering the groups as well. See here, like we can able to see the group names as well. Look, if any errors are there, you can able to see there. Okay, these are the groups it's got discovered. You can able to see each and everything. Okay, discovery is completed. Go to assets and complaints. Now you can see that groups as well. This is the way in the production also it will get the discovered, like based on that. Okay, based on the schedule it will automatically discover that if any new groups and users as well. And also same way system discovery as well. Okay, let's run the system discovery as well. As of now we have only single device, right? It got automatically reflected here in the devices. Okay, PRI. Okay, and also DEC. Okay, this is the domain controller and this is the primary. Okay, these are the by default it will come. Okay, unknown. Okay, that's it about the discovery methods. Okay, if you have any questions, please put them in comments. Our next topic is like system management. Okay, container, like we created the system management container and like we provide the permissions as well, right? Now we need to verify that whether that site code is published successfully or not. Okay, because we are storing the information in the Active Directory under the system management container folder. Okay, let's verify that. First we need to uh, go to the primary site log. We need to verify the one log whether it is published or not. We can able to check that. That is Hman.log. Just open the Hman.log. Just you can search with the publish. You can see that here, publishing site updates in AD. Okay, see this successfully created. Okay, you can able to see that under the searching for the system management container. Okay, you can able to see it's got the system manager container is exists. Okay, if we are not created there in the Active Directory system management container, it will throw an error. Okay, because we already created the system management container, it is directly showing as exists. Now under the system management container it created the objects. Okay, even you can able to log into the Active Directory, you can able to verify that this object created or not. Okay, this is the log we can able to check. Okay, without log into the Active Domain Controller tools. Okay, let's go to the domain controller tools and we'll go to ADSI edit. Okay, under the ADSI edit, under the system management container. Okay, double click on that. See that you can able to see that. Okay, everything it got reflected here. Okay, in I will create separate video like why uh, system management container is needed, like why we need to publish these site codes and SCCM information to Active Directory under the system management container. I will tell you like if we are not publishing the data, okay, what is the issue we are facing, okay. I will create separate video, okay, maybe it will okay, explain you like why we need the system management container, why we created, okay. I think that's it for today. I think last session also like last topic like we covered the logs as well, required logs, what to check, okay, on each stage, okay. Okay, I think one more topic I is here in between, okay, 7 and 8, okay. Let's continue these as well, device collections and user collections, okay. Let's go to console, go to, now we discovered the device, right? Now let's see device collections. By default these are the device collections will be there, like whatever the device it will discover, it will automatically fall under the respective collections. This is the all systems, this is the main collections, okay. Remaining are these are the default collections, it will come automatically by installing the SCM, okay. You can able to create the different collections, create the collections, okay. I'm creating the test collection, okay. Each and every collections, okay, limiting collection is mandatory, okay. Without limiting collections you cannot create the collection, okay. Without parent collections you cannot create the child collection, okay. Click on next. Here there are different like collection is nothing but just we are grouping device to, okay, we are grouping the device, and also same way users as well, like we can able whatever the device or groups, okay, we can able to group them, okay. We are while group, okay, we can able to create different type of the rules dynamic collections as well. For example, all Windows 10 devices should and okay, all specific location device, all sub like, and also we can able to create the collections based on the different attributes, we can able to create that, okay. For example, right now I'm creating with the direct rule, okay. Click next. Here you can able to provide the host names, okay. We have only one host name, right, primary, and you need to give it the percentage. If you don't know about the full host name, just use the wild character, okay. Just give the percentage, like next, it will automatically come, like next, like next, okay. Once immediately if you create the collections, you can see that, okay, symbol, okay, loading symbol, okay. That means collection evaluation is still it is going on, means even though if for example I added the device, still it is not reflecting, it is showing as 0. Why? Because still the collection evaluation is going on. Like for example in big organizations, if you add thousands and, okay, of devices, okay, it will take some time to get it, okay, evaluated, and it get it reflected here, okay. For example, if you in the dynamic collection or dynamic query, if you use any wrong query or something, maybe the execution will fail, okay. This collection evaluation also you can able to verify that, okay. We have the log for the collection evaluation log, okay. Call eval, okay. This is the log, you can able to verify that collection evaluation as well, okay. Based on that, for example, if you want to verify about the collection ID, like you can able to, once you immediately can able to get the once you created the collection, immediately you can able to get the collection ID, okay. And also if you, okay, you can right click on the title, you can able to add the required fields collection ID. Just take the collection ID, you can able to search here, you can able to troubleshoot, okay. If the collection evaluation is triggered or not, you can able to verify here, okay. See here, successfully evaluated the collection, okay, under the 0.546 seconds, okay. One entry changed, okay. You can able to verify that, okay. How many entries changed means like whether the device are get removed or added, you can able to like how many entries got changed, you can able to verify that here as well, okay. this is about the device collection. Okay, maybe in upcoming videos we'll try to create the different collections, like dynamic collections. Okay, everything we can able to create. Okay, just I'm explaining you about the basics. Okay, now here about the user collections as well. These are the user collections. Okay, in the user collections there are one advantage. Okay, in user collections you can directly add the direct users, and also you can create the user collections for the groups as well. Okay, for example, under the users you can observe that you can see the users as well and groups as well. Okay, so you can create the collections, okay, by including the groups or including the users. Okay, let me right click and create user collection. You can give anything. Same way, without limiting collection you cannot, okay, create any collections. Just you need to make sure that, okay, you want to create the user group. Okay, just select the user collection as a limiting collection. If you want to create the group discovery like group collections, you can use that. Okay, if you don't know about that, okay, then you can select the both. Okay, whether the group or users. Let me select the first one, second, last one. Okay. Let click next. Okay, I think collection name already is there with this name. Okay, let me use user. Click next. Same way you have multiple options here. Okay, let me create for now direct. Okay, remaining things I will explain you like in later classes in depth. Okay, inclusion, exclusions, and okay, query rule. Okay, even though direct rule also there are different things are there, I will explain you later. Okay, based on the different attributes also we can able to select that. Okay. Okay, let me click on next. Still I'm not able to see anything. Let me see why. Okay, now we can able to see that. Click on, check this box, click next, next, close this. Okay, this one also still evaluation is going on. Okay, once evaluation is completed you can able to see the members. Okay, okay, now same log will be the same. Okay, this is different log. Let me open the collection evaluator log. See here, for both device collection and user collections log will be the same. You can able to verify that here. Okay, collection evaluator dot log, whether the collection is evaluated successfully or not. Okay, whether the user collection or device collections, both you can able to verify here. Okay, I think we covered all steps. Okay, thanks for watching. Like now we completely like our environment is ready. Like we can able to discover the users and we can able to discover the active directory resources, computers. Okay, we also created the boundaries and collections. Okay, that will used throughout the next series. Okay, in the next video I will try to install one test device like Windows 11 device, and we'll try to install a SCCM client. Okay, with the help of the client push, and we'll prepare our primary site, okay, for the client push. Like we need to do few settings to enable the client push. Okay, we'll completely verify that in the next video. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them in comments. Okay, I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Okay, I will see you in the next video.